Welcome to Grounding Yourself. This is going to allow you to really harness that power within yourself and overcome any type of procrastination you may be experiencing. The goal of this meditation serves more as a mental reset. So let's focus on self-discipline and really focus on long-term goals and how that's going to serve you moving forward. So whenever you're ready, let's get started. Begin by finding a nice, comfortable seat. Place your feet on the ground, plant them, as if roots were growing underneath you. Close your eyes or just soften your gaze and take a deep breath in. Then exhale slowly. Feel your body begin to settle. Set a simple intention for this moment. To pause, to focus, to return to your goals. Notice that this time it's yours. A gift to refocus and regain clarity. Let your intention move to your breathing. With each inhale, there's an exhale. Let that come naturally. Notice how each and every breath brings you more present to this moment. Imagine breathing in purpose and strength. Exhaling procrastination. Exhaling distraction. Inhale commitment. And exhale everything holding you back. Breathe. Breathe in. Exhale slowly out your mouth. Bring one goal to mind or an accomplishment that you wish to achieve today, no matter how big or how small. Picture it clearly and let yourself feel a sense of satisfaction, strength, and pride that comes with achieving that. Allow this image to become an anchor, grounding for you, getting you a sense of direction. Breathe in concentration. Exhale distractions. Imagine any impulses or distractions that might pull you off course. See them for what they are. Just thoughts and feelings that come up, and they go just as easily. Visualize them like clouds, drifting in the sky. Just there, then they're gone. Breathe in focus. Exhale in patience. Remind yourself that this lasting joy of achievement outweighs a fleeting moment of comfort. As we begin to wrap up, take one final breath. Breathe this in deeply. Feel your feet on the ground. Feel your spine standing tall. You are here. You are fully present in this moment. You're ready. Remind yourself, I have power to create, to accomplish, to be the best version of myself. Take one final deep breath and slowly exhale and open your eyes. Return to your day. Return feeling grounded with a sense of purpose, and that you are prepared to make every moment count. Thank you for joining me.